Hello friends, today we'll see data bars, color scales and sparklines. For data bars, we have data here, name of the salesman, state name, month and their sale amount in thousand for 1 year, January to December 2022. So just we need to see the bars, data bars in the same cell. So what we need to do, we will select the data, conditional formatting, data bars. Then we just need to select according to our requirement, like gradient fill and solid fill. And in more rules you can specify your color, you can specify solid fill, gradient fill, and you can change the color as well, like green, and you can give different criteria here. And then click OK. You will see now it is with data bars in the same cells. And next is color scales. In color scales you need to select the same data again, and conditional formatting, color scales. There is some default options what you can choose, like green will be on the highest value, yellow will be the midpoint, red will be the lowest value. All these combination you can try, and you can choose more rules. You can specify your own need, and then you can select format style. I will take 3 color scale. In 3 color you can specify minimum, midpoint and maximum by specifying the color also. Minimum value we need to see in red, midpoint we can see in orange, and the maximum we can see in green. Then you just need to click OK. So you will see now the lowest values are near to red color or red color, and light red, dark red near to orange. Orange will be in midpoint, and the highest value or the value on the highest side will be near to green or green color. In the other data you can see also, like this is the lowest value, 50 is the lowest value in whole series from January to December, so it is in red point, and 98 is the highest value, you can see in green color, and midpoint you can see 60, 66, 74 is midpoint, so it is in orange color. You can specify the color of your own choice. So now we will add sparklines for the same data. Sparklines, we will select the data. In Sparkline you don't need to select the data. Data selection is just for data bar and color scale before going to option. But in Sparkline, when you will go in the option, then you need to select the data at that time. Like here, you can search Sparkline, Sparkline. Then you need to specify the data range. This is my data range. Then OK. So system will show the Sparkline for the data. You can drag down like that. So this is showing the flow. This is showing the data from January to December in shape of line. You can see up and down according to the data. These lines, what we did is line sparklines. Now I want to add column sparkline also. So we will use the same data, same column, and same way we need to select the cell, and then we will search Sparkline columns. So you need to specify the data range again, then OK. Then you can drag it down. You can copy paste the formula to all the rows. So you will see the column sparkline. Before we just check line sparkline, now this is column sparkline. Thanks for watching.